He's meant to be here, not here.
You owe me 1 million naira.
Are you charity man badger?
Gets me in trouble sometimes.
This is a digital standing.
We didn't come here for sausage. I
I gave up all the money I had for the day.
I like charity.
Alpha. How you doing? Welcome. Today I have the biggest food critic in Nigeria, allegedly. Allegedly because I have no proof that is true.
Biggest tech bro, you're mad.
We're playing a very simple game called 24 Hours Without Tech.
No,
which means...
Wait, pause. It's giving curiosity made me. So you called me here to insult me, Abi?
I'm not insulting you.
Me allegedly. Okay, be you.
Oh yeah, where's the proof?
Be you want to be.
Anyways, 24 hours without tech, no smartphones, no digital technology. I have to take off my smart ring and everything. Also, we're not going to be able to use our wristwatches, so we won't know the time. Only the video producers are going to know what time it is and when the game is over. There's a slight challenge inside this video that I'm so excited to share with you guys. This weary that is always criticizing people's food has to cook anything I ask him to, and I have to eat it and judge it. But it's not just me that's judging. We're going to take it to the security downstairs. They're going to eat it too. If it feeds anybody poison, police will carry him.
Why are you shouting at them?
Why will I not shout? As if no. How many restaurants have you built?
I can't say it on camera.
2,
Kagan.
3, 4, 5. Those are 5 of my smartphones. I'm taking off my smart rings as well. And my watch.
Do this watch.
Which watch is
it? Hey, flex, hey.
Smart
I have
rings.
15 billion in this bag.
Usually we have 10,000 naira to survive 24 hours. But because I'm going to make Ope cook anything I ask him to on a budget, I'm going to give up my own 10,000 naira and give it to him. So now he has 20,000 naira to cook me whatever the hell I tell him to cook. Anyways, we also have another outside bet, right? Ope believes he's going to get to 100,000 subscribers before me.
Now on YouTube.
He believes he's going to get to 100,000 subscribers before me.
Should we
I didn't tell him
flash
say they know born and well.
As of today, put both of us subscribers numbers there.
Anyways, ultimately today now I'm about to tell Ope what he has to cook for me before we get into the game proper. Ope,
I'm excited to actually get Okwayemi here and get him to actually cook me chicken and egusi because he's always insulting everybody's food. I actually want to see if he can cook.
Farmer King, today I want you to make me egusi with chicken.
So the plan is to make delicious egusi and chicken for Kagan. And I'll do exactly just that. Let us go.
I cannot let you
I
die.
want to die. Let us go. Me out of shape. Because of small
Go when the sun
stomach.
is
Show your
small stomach.
Kagan. Show us two packs.
It's not food, but it's there.
Show us. Whose pack is looking?
Alright, we'll go out now and go and buy food at Ebiano. We have to trek.
It's Ebano, not Ebiano.
Ebiano.
Ebano.
Ebiano.
Ebano.
Ebiano.
Ebano.
Short shake with Fupadi.
Ebano. Kagan, learn.
Ebiano.
It's not too late. That's
Ebiano.
who you went to. Do masters in Unilag to cover up that way you went to.
I'm gonna change to my sneakers. I think I'm allowed to do that. It's not tech. I'm wearing half shoes.
Let's follow him.
So I need sneakers.
I see brown boxers. Kagan, you don't have washing machine in your house.
Where did you see brown
That-
boxers?
You hid it just now. You've already hidden the brown boxers. God almighty.
I don't have any boxes in this bag.
Ladies first. I'm a gentleman, don't worry.
Okwayemi, we cannot use the elevator.
Okay.
Do you think you can survive the staircase
I can.
with your physical health
Kagan, your
condition?
belly is not flat.
I'm aware.
So like all these
Your
fast
physical
jokes.
health condition.
Kagan, your
Can you
belly is
do
not
the
flat.
staircase?
Yes. It is against the law to smoke on this. Come on for which kind of law? Wait,
It's a working man's
Kagan,
car.
hold on.
Yes.
Plate number is meant to be here. Kilon share. Are you above the law? What is this? It's meant to be here, not
My
here.
car doesn't have a space for a number
You
plate.
can create it.
Also, Okwayemi, you keep saying Unilag, OAU. It's number plate, not plate number.
Okay.
Number
Finally, finally, has corrected
number
me.
plate.
Has corrected me. So on the street of Ikorodu, this is
Okay.
a Greek.
Okay, say now this is a Greek.
Why in Ikorodu?
How do you know those places even?
Show them the houses in Ikorodu.
How do
All
you
of
know
you
those
always
places?
abusing Ikorodu. Look at the houses in Ikorodu.
Why do you know those places? How do you know those
Because
places?
I live in Lagos. I don't understand. Yeah, take us out of our niche. We know other stuff.
So it's me that doesn't know anything.
I mean,
outside
if
my
you
niche.
say so as a good friend, I'll support you.
Whose idea was it to put
No.
Okwayemi? Is it the people? The people in the comments?
I said,
The people in the comments wanted this menace. Celeb. You're on the road. What of Ekoja?
This is indigenous standing.
Oh, really?
This is indigenous standing.
Oh, really? Celeb! Oh, my God.
No, today is Daddy of Lagos, not Food Critic. Sugar Daddy. No, Sugar Daddy of Lagos.
Food critic of Lagos.
Sugar Daddy of Lagos. Look at me.
Sugar Daddy of Lagos.
He's on weekends. I'm a food critic.
I have a black belt. I'm serious.
Who did you pay?
I have I didn't pay. I didn't
you
pay
pay?
anybody. I earned it.
Was your coach a woman? Show bass when you come for any kidney. Kagan,
Yes. Out of your 20K, now you have 19K left.
Okwa is a good Samaritan. What do you call that?
Can you imagine? You're so shameless.
Good Samaritan.
You did that for clout?
To my doorstep. How much is this sausage?
We didn't come here for sausage. Olonje ya. Fine chicken.
Kagan, read this. What is this?
Chicken sausage.
What is this?
Premium chicken sausage.
No, stay here.
It's
Don't
taller.
mind me, I'm whining you.
Okwemi, you owe me 1 million naira.
No. Wait.
No.
I didn't use the phone, Kagan.
I saw you holding a phone,
It's
bro.
AI generated. Sorry, I didn't use the phone. Kagan.
AI generated.
I didn't use the phone.
It's AI generated. I have proof.
Did I hold your phone? Did I hold your phone? No, simple.
Don't worry, the people have already.
Did I
seen
hold
it.
your
You owe
phone?
me 1 million
No.
naira.
AI
For charity, it's
generated.
for charity. Don't worry, it's not about to spend the
I
money.
charity my budget.
Okay, wait. We have a slight problem now. Okpa is trying to look for loopholes in my request.
The
I asked
owner-
for chicken and egusi, and he's picking chicken sausage.
I beg. Egusi is melon seed. Pumpkin melon seed.
I'm aware.
Where is Indomie? Where is Indomie? We check the ingredients. Pumpkin seed, wheat flour, vegetable palm oil. Palm oil is in this thing. Look at it. Palm oil is in egusi. It's there. Is Kagan saying Indomie noodles brand is not good? Is that what you are saying?
No, I asked you for egusi and chicken.
So you are saying Indomie noodles, the brand is not good enough for us to eat for lunch? No, is that what you are saying?
What I am saying is that I asked you for egusi and chicken,
And
and you are buying sausage, chicken sausage.
No. As it is not available. So are you saying buying
It's not
Indomie
available. There's
noodles
chicken
brand?
right there.
Are you saying buying Indomie noodles brand is not good enough?
Okpa, why are you gaslighting me? There's chicken in the freezer. Anyways, you already owe us 1 million, so I'm not even.
You can no. I
You
don't
use
owe
the
you.
phone. I have proof.
No, that's AI. The person's phone said I did not touch her phone.
What?
The person that you accused me of touching her phone said I didn't touch her
I have
phone.
video proof.
It's AI. Kagan, you a tech bro. You brought me here to exploit me and to frame me. The owner of the phone literally said it, play it back. He did not touch my phone. It is AI. So guys, now, if we are going to be serious, let me confess as to why I did what I did. I think it is very, very unfair and ridiculous for two somewhat rich people to be throwing money around, cooking silly shit for content. So, I purposely chose cheap shit, cheap stuff, so that I can give the remaining money to charity. I charity my budget. That is why I've been doing what I've been doing since. Because it is unfair. People are hungry on the road. They are hungry on the streets. And two guys, they are playing with food. Being silly with food, it is unfair.
You have no shame.
No, Allah.
You have no shame.
Chairman,
You have
Thank
no
you.
shame, Okpeyemi.
this is unfair. It is a thing influencers do for content. Wasting money on food.
I'm not doing this with you.
So this was the grand plan all along to help the needy and everything. So yes, I charity my budget. Kagan, are you walking away from charity? I charity my budget. It's because I give to charity. That's what I've known. I charity my budget. So this is the new trait I found out about Kagan. Apparently, giving to charity is not his thing. Since we are there, since we are there, we have to eat. How do you sell your suya? You never, you can't wait, don't worry. Charity cannot wait for anybody. I charity my budget.
And it's a food critic. What kind of food? Fake, all fake. You can criticize people's food, but you can't cook for nothing.
No worry, I thought you had date. Hi, good afternoon, guys. Nice meeting you. No, buy something. Thank you. You said cook chicken and egusi. I'm doing exactly that. But while we are eating, let's not forget those that have not eaten. If Kagan uses those codes to open the door, that means he cheated because it is technology.
I gave up all the money I had for the day for him to cook chicken and egusi. Very simple request.
I like charity. If you notice, those of us in the food space, we like to give.
We were supposed to just go to the bano, right? Buy chicken breasts and buy egusi and come home, cook the melon seeds, put palm oil. Done.
Right for Bashakain, diary of a kitchen lover, and you know, my brand is very, very basketball. So I said, let me be kind today. Kagan, did you press the code to enter the house?
No.
How did you enter?
No.
You knocked. There's a goosey and there's a goosey. I thought you meant a goosey and not a goosey. Come on, shower. Just ask
Your
next.
gaslighting is pissing me off.
You can't dirty gaslighting. Who's
So I'm going to
gaslighting?
go and take a shower, and I'm just going to give
The
you
only
some-
gas I'll be lighting is the gas I'll use to cook that goosey. Damn! That entered. And also Nigerians, it's not Nescafe, it's Nescafe. I miss my phone. Except the only time that I don't press my phone, I think it's almost an hour that I've not pressed my phone. When I'm flying, I press my phone. Maybe when I'm sleeping and I wake up like every hour to press my phone. God forbid, I'm still upcoming now. I genuinely see myself as upcoming. I don't think I've that moment that I've blown. I mean, I'm getting there, but that I don't blow. I don't think I've gotten there. So I command you, go and bath, my boy. Go and fucking bath, my boy. Go! Like, lock the door, my boy. I command you. Hey. There's a quiet side of me, but I can't show you guys that side. It's reserved for a special feel. Ask Kagan when we hang out and the camera is off. I'm a quiet person.
Forget about the trip. There's no way I'm going to make the money I spent on this video back. But let's not even talk about that one.
So are you saying I'll not bring
no,
the
no.
views?
Let me.
I'll
The
mind
views
you,
cannot
I'll
even make me the
I'll
money. The
mind
point
you,
I'm
I'll
trying
mind
to
you.
make is,
Are
I
you on
would
Facebook?
invest in something. Yes, I would invest in something. I have like 100k on Facebook. I would invest in something I
Can't
like
relate. I'm
just
like
because.
700.
Great. Just because I love something, I'll do it. Okay, look at the fake proposal we just did. I invested millions of
That was
naira
a
in
lot
that
of
video.
money, actually.
Do you think the brand paid me for that? I did it because it was the idea that I was going to sell that thing, and it was good. And I was going to be the first to do something as ridiculous as that. I bought into the idea,
An internet shook for a day.
and I sold it.
I did.
Right. You call mac and cheese rubbish.
No. The way they made it is a
Right.
very unhealthy
Let's
way.
just
I remember the
just-
video.
let's,
I corrected
let's,
the
let's even say I agree with you that it's rubbish.
Okay.
Because I don't even like mac and cheese, right? He's my friend. Like, I can categorically say that he's my friend. This is why even when he's wrong, I defend him. Gets me in trouble sometimes, but I'm completely fine with that. It's the way you said it. I don't think it's that you said, because I'm sure a lot of people agree with you.
There
that
is
maybe your
no
ass
way
is
they will
not great.
say, Opeyemi, which food should be banned. If I do not call it Yoruba soup, any other soup I call from any other culture, there is no way that culture will have taken it. But again, I see.
Again, it's
take my
content.
L.
I understand that he has made some mistakes in the past with his content. He understands that he has made some mistakes and he has learned from them and he has grown from them, which makes me very proud.
For some reason, when the camera is on, I only show one side of me, which is the goofy and serious side. I don't know why. But I said, you know what? Let me show my serious side. And in doing that, me and Kagan had a small heart-to-heart, and I learned more about him as my friend. That was really, really nice. I heard Kagan's stomach rumbling. So this is called an ode to university life. So we eat from the pot.
Okpeyemi has cooked. Oh my God.
But fuck, to ba fẹ́ jẹun, me a jẹ Indomie tán.
Whoever's idea it was to bring Okpeyemi on this show, God will not forgive you. He cannot cook. He goes around judging other people's food, critiquing people's food, telling them this is too dry, and this is not succulent, and this is not soft, and this is undercooked, and this is overcooked, and this was over microwaved. But he cannot cook. I will actually taste this for the culture. I will do it.
Eat
so that I
it because you want to eat a one for the culture.
so that I can understand and give an honest.
Pick one or two chickens. Kagan, salt. No. One cup salt.
No. I'm actually gonna eat this,
Kagan, say the truth. Say the truth.
and this is the only bite I'm.
Eat it. Ọ̀rọ̀ ti pọ̀ jù fún critic. Jọ jẹ́ kí ni. What's the bottle?
First off, the Indomie is not done. I like dry Indomie, right? I wanted it to be dry, which is good. It was dry. But some parts of it were not well cooked. It seemed like the heat did not get to it.
Don't lie. Don't lie. But Kagan said my Indomie is not sweet.
2.5 over 10 at best.
Today, I come to the sad realization that Kagan is a liar.
It looked bad. It tasted as bad as it looked.
See the way I'm sweating. You know, now food way sweet. Where you go, they sweat.
Oh my God, I'm disappointed. There's no other words to explain what I feel. We're supposed to make egusi and chicken for us to judge. He knew he couldn't cook that. So he went and bought Indomie and said,
Sorry
chicken
that
sausages is chicken.
charity is my weak spot.
Okoyemi is a terrible cook. He cannot cook. I'm done with it. So name of countries in alphabetical order. A, Argentina.
Bulgaria,
C, China.
Deutschland.
E, what?
I've won. Next one.
Sorry, what the hell is Deutschland? Let's move on.
We'll spice it up.
Let's move on. Name of countries. Letter E, Estonia.
France.
G, Germany.
It's Ireland.
You're supposed to say H.
Is that the country that starts with H though?
Hungary.
So
Honduras.
I lost.
You kind of lost.
It
yes.
takes a man to admit defeat. This one, Kagan won me.
I wasn't trying to win. I was just trying to play.
Yeah, it's
fun
a game
with
now.
you.
Yeah, there's a winner, there's a loser. Why are you making it an issue? I
No
said you
problem.
won.
Okay. Do you know what the funny thing about this situation?
just
I
said-
cannot wait for that alarm to go off so that I know it's midnight and you can go away.
Jesus Christ. Amaka.
What?
Native names now.
Okay. Busola.
Chidera.
Damilola.
Ewa Ola.
Funke.
Inioluwa.
How you reach I?
Brothers, I hate this game. Rock, paper, scissors, 2. 2?
You're not even letting me
No,
land.
no,
Calm
no.
down
It is
now.
1, 2, 3. That one has gone. So again, it is 1, 2,
3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So you did rock. So the next one, 1, 2, ready, go. Rock, paper, scissors. 3. So you did paper last. So hold on. Wait. So you did paper last. 1, 2, ready, go. Rock, paper, scissors. So let me tell you what I've been doing since, and it caught it, is reverse psychology.
I cannot wait for this alarm to come on. Okoyemi, o wá sínú ilé mi, o mu bottle of wine méjì.
Because you see,
Sure, you have no shame.
Kagan!
You have no shame.
And I said it! Kagan!
It was the perfect setup.
I said it! Kagan said, drink now. Drink.
Yes,
we have
drink.
money,
we
drink.
have drinks.
You can see now.
Drink.
He
Are you
came,
not drinking?
Give Okpe money
you
to
not
buy
drink?
food. Okpe drank his food. That he boom in.
Talo ma fi kini boy.
Tantala.
Ah, yes, final freedom. Thank you, Jesus. He gets to leave. Thank you so much for coming, Okoyemi. I appreciate you. That's it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the
Your
comments.
fave is a liar. Your fave does not have a
Let me
refined-
know who you want
Your
me to do
fave
this
does
with
not
next.
have a refined palate. I'm disappointed.
Refined palettes. Oh, Munjese. Let me know who you want me to do this with next. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I guess I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan.
Wait. Technically, this is the longest I've ever gone without my phone while awake. In like the
Really?
last 3 to 4 years, I swear to God.
Congratulations, we did that for you.
This is the longest I've ever gone
Congratulations.
while awake without touching my phone.
That's a good thing because now you know you can do it.
I mean, it's not an addiction, but okay.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing. So yes, he owes us 1 million. So he has to donate 1 million naira to charity. Suggest what charities you want him to donate to in the comment section